Welcome guys! Today we're gonna make a parachute. So how can you make a parachute? You need a trash bag, string. We didn't have string at the office, so we used ribbon. It works too. Scissors and a small character. Here it's a beef eater. You can use anything. It shouldn't be too heavy though, okay? But not too light. So, first thing is you want to cut a square in your trash bag, okay? Quite a big square. Okay, now let's see. We have something that looks a bit like a square. Why a square or a rectangle? So that it's easier to make a circle. So let's fold this square, okay? And let's fold again. And okay, our smallest side is here. Let's fold again. And you know what? Let's fold again. Here we go. Okay, perfect. So now let's cut it on our smallest side here. Let's cut it so it looks like a circle. Cross your finger. This should be a circle. And ta-da! Okay, our parachute is starting to look pretty good. Now we're going to have 6 holes at the edge of the parachute. Now, what length of rope should you use? Well, it should definitely be about the length of the diameter of the parachute and a bit more, okay? Let's say half more. So I'm going to use something like this long for a parachute this size, okay? This long is good. Okay, I have 6 strings that I'm going to attach to each corner. So, take one. Right. Put it through, just a little bit. Make a knot. And I repeat the process for all the other holes. And now you've attached all the strings together. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now push on the middle. Okay. So we know. Okay. Look at this. All the strings should be about the right size. And at the end, what we're going to do is we're going to tie them all together using a simple knot. Okay. And now let's use your character. So if you want, you can use a knot around your character or put tape around. I'm gonna use tape. So, our character, we have our parachute. It should work. The only thing to do is to try it out now. Okay, follow me. Okay, so now what you need is something pretty tall, like our building. Then you really flatten this, make sure it's all tight. Oh, the strings are here, the little guy is here. So how you want to fold this? Fold it in half here. Then again, 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 and again. So it doesn't get tangled, okay? And now the only thing to do is to take a look to see if there's no one. And no one, okay? So I guess we can throw it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh no, it's gonna get in the trees! Oh no, it's stuck in the tree! Well, but now you've seen how we can make a beautiful parachute. One little thing, look out for trees, it will get stuck. Bye everyone, bye!